Throughout history, there are individuals whose ideas don't just challenge what we know, they redefine it entirely. In a time when the mysteries of the universe were untouchable and science was still searching for answers about space, time, and gravity, one man emerged whose profound insights changed everything. That man was none other than Albert Einstein, a thinker, a dreamer, and a revolutionary mind whose name became synonymous with genius. From his childhood curiosity in Germany to developing theories that unlocked the secrets of the cosmos, Einstein's life is a testament to the power of wonder and resilience. How did a boy who struggled in school go on to unravel the mysteries of the universe? What can we learn from his journey to fuel our own pursuit of greatness? Join us as we embark on the inspiring journey of Albert Einstein, exploring the challenges he faced, the triumphs he achieved, and the lessons his remarkable story offers for us all. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, a small city in Germany. From the start, Einstein was different. He didn't speak until the age of 3, leading his parents to worry about his development. Yet, beneath his silence lay a deep and curious mind, fascinated by the mysteries of the world. As a child, Einstein loved building mechanical devices and poring over books on science and philosophy. One pivotal moment came when his father gave him a compass. The young boy was mesmerized by the way the needle moved mysteriously, and this sparked a lifelong quest to understand the unseen forces of the universe. Though often misunderstood in school for questioning authority and challenging the rigid teaching methods of the time, Einstein's intellectual curiosity set him on a unique path that would ultimately change the course of human history. Einstein's childhood was a blend of curiosity and quiet introspection. Born to a middle-class Jewish family, he grew up with loving parents who encouraged his intellectual curiosity. His mother introduced him to music, instilling in him a love for the violin, a passion that stayed with him throughout his life. His father, an engineer, exposed him to mechanical devices and nurtured his curiosity about how things worked. However, his childhood wasn't without challenges. Teachers criticized his daydreaming and unconventional approach to learning. One teacher even told him he'd never amount to anything, a statement that couldn't have been further from the truth. Despite these challenges, Einstein's early years laid the foundation for a mind that would one day change the world. Einstein's transformation into a great scientist was fueled by an insatiable curiosity and a refusal to accept the status quo. His big break came in 1905, a year famously known as his Annus Mirabilis, or miracle year. During this time, while working at the Swiss Patent Office, Einstein published 4 revolutionary papers on topics like special relativity, the photoelectric effect, and Brownian motion. These papers introduced concepts that challenged Newtonian physics and laid the groundwork for modern science. His insights into the nature of light, energy, and time redefined human understanding of the universe. What set Einstein apart wasn't just his intelligence, it was his ability to think differently, question deeply, and simplify complex phenomena into concepts that even non-scientists could appreciate. Einstein's achievements weren't just groundbreaking, they were revolutionary. His work transcended theoretical physics and redefined our understanding of the natural world. His special theory of relativity, introduced in 1905, revealed that time and space aren't absolute but relative to the observer. This was revolutionary enough on its own, but in the same year he also delivered groundbreaking insights on the photoelectric effect, for which he later received the Nobel Prize in Physics. Then came the general theory of relativity in 1915, which introduced the idea that massive objects warp space and time, explaining phenomena such as gravity on an entirely new level. This theory has since been confirmed by modern science through observations like black holes and gravitational waves. Einstein's famous equation equals mc2 equals mc caret t equals mc2 transformed how we think about energy and matter, laying the groundwork for innovations in everything from nuclear energy to medical technologies. Beyond his contributions to science, Einstein was a fierce advocate for peace and equality, often using his platform to speak out against war and racism, showcasing his humanity alongside his brilliance. Albert Einstein's road to brilliance wasn't free of obstacles. During his early years, his academic journey was fraught with struggles. His rebellious attitude toward rigid education left teachers unimpressed, and at 16, he even dropped out of school in Germany. Later, despite completing his studies, he faced repeated rejection from academia, struggling to secure a teaching position. His annus mirabilis, miracle year, came after years of uncertainty when he worked as a clerk in a patent office, far from the world of groundbreaking science he yearned for. On a personal level, Einstein's life was marred by strained relationships, public scrutiny, and the burden of fame. The rise of Nazi Germany forced him to flee to the United States, leaving behind a homeland he deeply loved. His greatest challenge, however, came when the practical applications of his theories, like nuclear energy, were used to create destructive weapons. Despite his efforts to promote peace, he carried the weight of knowing his discoveries contributed to the atomic bomb, a paradox that haunted him for the rest of his life. Einstein's career began in earnest with his appointment at the Swiss Patent Office in 1902. Though it wasn't a prestigious position, it gave him the financial stability and time to think deeply about the problems in physics that fascinated him. His miracle year of 1905 marked the turning point. The 4 papers he published during this time were so groundbreaking that they brought him immediate acclaim in the scientific community. With this newfound recognition, Einstein secured a position at the University of Zurich and later at the Prussian Academy of Sciences, solidifying his reputation as one of the greatest scientific minds of his time. Albert Einstein's life teaches us the importance of curiosity, persistence, and courage in the face of adversity. He didn't let societal norms, early struggles in school, or even the great challenges of war and displacement deter him from pursuing his passion for understanding the universe. His ability to think differently reminds us to question the status quo and embrace creativity as the cornerstone of innovation. Although he passed away on April 18, 1955, Einstein's influence endures, inspiring generations to explore, discover, and dream. His life is proof that with curiosity, resilience, and determination, anyone can make an extraordinary impact. Now, for all of you listening who've made it this far into the video, it's clear you possess the dedication and curiosity that can lead to greatness. Like Albert Einstein, you don't have to start with all the answers, and you don't need to be extraordinary from the beginning. What you need is to follow your passion, ask the tough questions, and never give up, even when the world tells you otherwise. Remember, the icons we admire today were once just dreamers with questions and ideas. Your potential is limitless if you dare to explore the unknown and pursue your unique path. So, as you reflect on Einstein's life, ask yourself, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, dream big, think deeply, and create a legacy that inspires the world.
Albert Einstein was more than a scientist. He was a symbol of boundless curiosity and the endless pursuit of understanding. His story teaches us to ask, to wonder, and to keep pushing the limits of what we think is possible. Now, as you reflect on this incredible story, take a moment to consider what Einstein's journey means to you. Just as he transformed his curiosity into groundbreaking discoveries, so too can you channel your passion into creating something remarkable. Every dream begins with a single question. What will yours be? If this story has inspired you, please like this video, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Modern Icons. Join us as we explore the lives of those who dared to dream big and reshaped the world. And remember, challenges are the stepping stones to greatness. The world is waiting for your unique brilliance, so dream boldly. Start today and make your mark. The mysteries of the universe are yours to uncover. Who knows? Perhaps your story will be the one that inspires future generations, and the spark that illuminates the path for others to follow.